I am DJI Dock 3. Today, I am heading out for a long trip. Hey, slow down. My gimbal is gonna break. Sir, with these roads, are you taking me straight to the service center?
Taking DJI Dock 3 on rough roads like this without vehicle kit, you are risking serious damage to the aircraft and gimbal. To prevent internal damage, you need this, the DJI Dock 3 vehicle kit. This is the gimbal kit mounted on the front cover, as the seat belt for the gimbal. Once the cover closes, it secures the gimbal firmly. Even on rough roads, zero movement. Another component is mounted on the rear cover, and it locks the aircraft just like a safety seat for child. Even with sudden braking, the aircraft stays rock solid. It will release automatically before takeoff, so it won't interfere with operations. Beyond this vehicle kit, DJI Dock 3 has been toughened from the inside. The structure, components, and even the ANC system have all been physically reinforced.
Phew! Now this is a smooth ride!
For mobile DJI Dock 3 deployment, the vehicle kit is a must. Protect your investment, don't let it take risk.